Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Wig Pro and I welcome you to this wig review of their Bali Collection style Diane. This is a beautiful shoulder length style. I love all of the layers throughout. It has a little bit of a shag cut to it, plenty of density, and I like the layers here at the front. Now this is a basic cap style, which makes it affordable. Diane's wig cap is a basic cap. Under this closed fabric are wefts and a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its stability and volume. In the front, you have this comfort rim. On either side, you have adjustable fabric ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. This cap does have a little bit of stretch, so it can conform to the shape of your head for an almost custom-like fit. In the back, you have this sleek velour-covered nape with buckle adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Diane's cap size is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now this wig fits me perfectly right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting. However, it is snug, so I don't feel that this would work well for someone with a larger than 22-inch circumference head size. However, if you are a petite or petite average, I think you can wear this style without any trouble. The fiber is synthetic. It is not heat friendly. It has the look and feel of human hair. Now in this particular color, which is SF10/26, there's no shine. This wig has a lot of density, so it's quite thick. And because you have this permatease at the top, you can certainly get your fingers in here to tease up the volume and make this style as full and voluminous as you would like it to be. Because this is a basic cap, Diane does not have a lace front. This is what the hairline looks like. It is not meant to be worn off the face. There is no monofilament or lace part. It is a closed top, but that doesn't mean you can't have a simulated part. As you can see, I have Diane parted towards the left. Now if you choose a rooted color, it even makes it look more like parting space because the roots simulate a part. Well, let's part this wig down the center to see what it will look like. Just another pretty look. Let's try it parted to the right. Now if you find that these regular synthetic fibers do not lay in the direction you need them to when you part the wig, you can take a steamy washcloth, part the wig, and then press the steamy washcloth down on top of your part to set it. The fibers should lay in the direction that you need them to. Let's talk about this beautiful color, SF10/26. This is a frosted blend of golden brown and neutral blonde. And as you can see, it's frosted here at the top. Just beautiful. It looks like you stepped right out of the salon. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. styling options with Diane. This style looks very pretty, tucked behind the ear. So you'll take your hairband, just pull the fiber back, secure it, and you have a ponytail. You can also secure this style in an updo. Take a claw clip, give the length a twist, and secure it. Very pretty for a hot summer day. This is an affordable basic cap style with plenty of volume and density. I will leave a link in the video description box below where you can click and shop. Now you can also visit bestwigoutlet.com to browse this beautiful style and other gorgeous Wig Pro styles. Now if you have any questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now if you wear Diane, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.